Assalamu alaikum. So this ends our first session, but this doesn't end our learning. So you can keep learning about yourself. And in this session, we introduced you to two different ways of looking at your personality. One was the way in which you look at from the trait perspective, and the other one was a way in which you look at it from a type perspective. You classify yourself according to different types. And then we looked at your values. We did a value analysis. You got introduced to the value system. And this we generally know already, but we have to have a conscious awareness of what is value system and how we can use it in making certain decisions. We also introduced you to reflective writing. So, reflective writing is a way in which you actually write your thoughts on a paper and you get to analyze them later on. So, it gives you more insight about your thoughts. I would suggest you make a habit to write every day something about your thoughts so that you can actually look at those thoughts after a few months, few years, and you can think, oh, actually, I was thinking all those things. I was like that. And how changed I am today after continuous years and efforts of personal development. So, reflective writing is a very important way of record keeping of your thought process when you are undergoing through a development phase. It gives you an insight of where you started from and where you are right now. I hope you enjoyed the session. We will come back to certain topics again and we'll talk about actually how different personality types can be used for negotiations. How would you talk to an extrovert? How would you talk to an introvert? How would you talk to a person who is very conscientious? And how would you talk to a person who is intuitive? I'll see you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.